Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we got another ultimate fitness watch face for you all to download. Yes, this one is geared toward the weekend. If you want to wear this during the work week, that's going to be totally up to you. But I thought the developer got down on this one. But with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check out this watch. The name of the watch face is called GWK0115. This guy is getting down. And also the watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So hopefully by the time it reaches you, it is still free. Make sure right after the video you download ASAP. Now, in the AOD mode, I do like the look because it gives you the same thing. The background is going to be black, which is going to make this look super awesome. Now once the watch face is on, the background for me is blue. I do like the analog thing. Really brings out this digital watch face. Now you're going to get a nice big bold legible digital time in the center along with your date. Of course, you're going to get your step status info like your heart rate at the top. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your step info, battery, and also miles walked or ran. And the watch face is interactive, so if you need to go into your step status info for the week, you can. Here you can get your step info, of course, calories burned, floors climbed, heart rate, things of that nature, and you can also get your battery percentage. Now, if I tap on the heart rate, I can go in and get my heart rate info as well. And if I tap on the date, I can bring up my calendar and set an event as well. So I thought it was a good look for a super casual dress down watch face for the weekend and or for the work week. I thought it was definitely a good look, but we're not done yet. You can customize the color, and the colors are plentiful, right? We could tap forever, double tap, and you can cycle through the many different awesome colors that this watch face has to offer. Again, I thought the developer did an awesome job with the creation of this watch face and its offerings, right? Now, considering that the watch face is free, this is a definite download to add to your collection. And whenever you get ready to wear this one, it'll be ready for you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please, before you leave, could you hit the like button on the way out? And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.